Alright, now tracking a lost Galaxy device is pretty easy on the Galaxy phones. It may be a Galaxy Buds, it may be Galaxy phone or a Galaxy Watch. You'll be able to easily track them using Samsung's own application called Samsung Find, which we all are aware of. If you're new to Samsung, make sure you install the Samsung Find application. It may be available by default on your device. If not, go ahead and install it and make sure you use this application and activate it. Now for this application, Samsung has released a brand new update, and this update adds a very critical, a very important feature which we will be discussing about in today's video. But before we go ahead, let me introduce you to a brand new application called Screencraft. It's a customization application. If you're a customization lover, you should install this application on your phone. What this app does is it lets you share your own customized home screen setups to the entire world. If you have a very interesting home screen setup, you can just share it with all those applications, the KWGT widgets, the wallpapers that you have used. You can just upload it on this application. You'll also find some cool wallpapers here. It has got a very cool UI with this liquid glass effect, which looks pretty cool. And you also have this tab called Mockup, using which you can create your own mockup from your home screen setups or the wallpapers that you're using, the KWGT widgets that you're using. You can set it up on your home screen, take a screenshot of it, and upload them on these mockups. We've got mockups for phones, tablets, laptops, wearables, etc. And they work pretty well. So do go ahead, check out this interesting application. The link for you to download is in the description. Now let's go ahead and check out the new feature that has been added on the Samsung's My Find application. Alright, now first let's go to the Samsung Find applications update page. As you can see, the latest version is 1.8.00.16. Update was received a few days ago, but I just got this update today on my device, and the size is 83.22 MB. And in the change log, we got something very, very important. The first one, provide lost mode for mobile and tablet. Now we will be focusing on this particular feature, and then we've got improved approval process for location sharing in the People tab, and map search and large screen usability enhancements, bug fixes and stability improvements. Now what we're going to do is we're going to check out how exactly this lost mode works on Samsung Find. Let me open the application here. Now you can see we've got this devices tab. This is where you will find all those devices connected through the same Samsung account. Now for the purpose of the video, let me tap on the S24 Ultra here. This is connected through Samsung Find. We've got ring option, refresh and more option. Now ring option is for ringing the device. If you have lost it somewhere within the surroundings, you can just tap on that to hear the ring on the device. As long as it is in loud mode, you'll be able to hear that. And then we have refresh button and we have got more button. Let me tap on more here, and this is where you will see this brand new feature, lost mode. Now here you see search nearby, and we've got navigate option, and it says checking server settings. Now this is the new option. Let's just wait for this. There we go. We have got lost mode turned off for this device. Let me just show you how it was before. Now this is a screenshot I had taken before the update. We just had search nearby and navigate, and now we have got this new option, lost mode also. Now let me tap on lost mode. It says lost mode helps protect your phone while it's missing. And here is what happens when lost mode is on. It will lock your phone. Your phone will be locked so no one else can use it. You will be asked to set a PIN for lock mode that's different from your usual unlock method. While lost mode is on, this PIN will be required to unlock your phone. So what this will do is it will set up a brand new PIN. Obviously, we will have to set up a brand new PIN. It will be different from the PIN that you already have on your phone. So your phone will get locked with that brand new PIN. I will anyways demonstrate this to you in a bit. Let's check out the rest of the things here. Keep power on, prevent someone from turning off your phone. This allows Samsung Find to continue updating your phone's location. So when you enable lost mode, the phone cannot be turned off. I will show you how it works. Then we have lock Samsung Wallet. Payment cards and other services in Samsung Wallet can't be used while lost mode is on. Then we have got this message for Finder. You can write a message that will be shown on the lock screen in the case someone finds your phone. You can also add a phone number so the Finder can contact you. As long as the phone is not stolen by somebody, there are chances that the person will see the contact number on the screen and your message, and he or she may call you on that number to hand over your phone. So that is something which we can set up using this lost mode. Now what we will do is let's bring the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now since we are trying this on the S24 Ultra, let's enable the lost mode for this device here. Now what I'll do is I'll tap on next. You can see this page. This is where we can set up a new PIN. Now let me just set up a new pin here for the purpose of this video. I'll just select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and I'll just confirm the pin, and let's go down here. Here we've got phone number, optional. If you want to show the phone number on the lock screen, you can do that. Let's again type something randomly here, and then message. The message is, I lost my phone, please help me find it. By default this is there. So let's go ahead and lock this device remotely using this lost mode. Let me tap on lock. Now here it's asking me to key in the password. I'll use Samsung Pass instead. And now you can see this phone will get locked. There we go. It has just locked this phone remotely, and it is displaying this message, I lost my phone, please help me find it. And the owner's number is mentioned right over here. And to unlock this phone, we will have to use the brand new pin which we have just set up remotely on this device. Your regular pin will not work here. Even if the person knows how to unlock this, he'll not be able to unlock it once you activate the lost mode. Now here there are two possibilities. If your phone is stolen by somebody, what he will do is he will not give you a call back, or he will not reach out to you. He will try to turn off your device so that the phone is not trackable. But that is also not possible here, because this feature will not let the phone to be turned off. Let's try that. Let me tap on done here. You can see lost mode is on for this device. Now let me try to turn off this phone. Let's try to open the quick panel here. You can't open it. Let's try to press and hold on the side key. Nothing happens with this. Now let's try to hold the volume down key and the side key. Let's see what happens. And here it activates these buttons, power off, restart, emergency call, medical info. Now let me try to power off this. Let me tap on power off, and I'll tap on power off. Here it is. It says can't turn off because the phone has been locked remotely by Find My Mobile. So even if I try to power off this phone, it cannot be turned off. It will be connected to the network. If you're turned on the Wi-Fi, or if you're turned on the mobile data, that will be continuously connected, and you will get time to locate your device and try to retrieve it. So the first situation is if somebody has found your phone, and if they are generous to return your phone, then they'll be able to see your number and give you a call back. They can see the message as well. And if somebody has stolen your phone and tries to turn off your device, then he or she will not be able to do that, and you will be able to at least try to locate your device and go to that location and tap on search nearby or navigate to your device so that you can try to locate your device. Now this is a brilliant feature which Samsung has added recently. You might have received this update sometime back as well. It might be already available on your phone, but if you're not aware of this, this is the lost mode on your Galaxy phone. But if you're not aware of this, this is how you can enable this. Now apart from this, we also have some enhancements. We've got improved approval process for location sharing on the phone. Let me show you that. Let's open the application. You can tap on people, and here you can tap on plus button to add a specific contact, maybe within your family or friends, and you can share your location. You can share it for an hour, for 24 hours and things like that. But yeah, this feature has been enhanced. The approval process for location sharing in the People's tab has been improved. Whenever you're sharing the location, the approval process is simpler than before. I have made a dedicated video about this, so I will not be demonstrating this in this video. Then we have got map search and large screen usability enhancements, bug fixes and stability improvements. Now this is the brand new lost mode feature on Samsung's MyFind application. Every Galaxy phone user should be aware of this feature, and whenever you lose your phone or a tablet, make sure you go ahead and turn on the lost mode on Samsung's MyFind application. Definitely to some extent, this will help you find your device. If you left it somewhere, lost it somewhere, and if somebody finds it out, they will at least be able to talk to you and hand over your device if your phone is not stolen, of course. So that is something which is new with this all new update. Let me know what you think, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. This is the channel you need to be on if you want to stay updated with everything that's happening with your Galaxy phones or some of the other Android phones. Go ahead, subscribe, and give this video a like if you find this video informative. Let's reach at least 1,000 likes for this video. Go ahead and tap that like button. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers, bye-bye.